How to lose 10 to 17 pounds with this delicious fat-burning soup in just 1 week. Before we start with this video and show you how to make this amazing fat-burning soup, you should know that obesity can cause many health problems such as heart disease and stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, some cancers, gallbladder disease and gallstones, osteoarthritis, gout, breathing problems, such as sleep apnea, when a person stops breathing for short episodes during sleep, and asthma. Note, but not everyone who is obese has all of those problems. The risk rises if you have a family history of one of those conditions. You should know that this 7-day eating plan was documented from the Sacred Heart Memorial Hospital for patients who had to undergo heart surgery and they had to lose weight rapidly. This diet plan includes the amazing fat-burning soup. Note, you should be careful and don't consume this soup all the time as may lead to malnutrition. So make sure you drink a lot of water, and you can also add kombucha for the beneficial yeast and bacteria for your digestive system. This fat-burning soup is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Fat-burning soup recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce envelope Lipton onion soup mix, a can of diced tomatoes, 1 bunch of celery, 3 pounds of carrots, sliced in bite size, 1 large head of cabbage chopped in small chunks, 6 large green onions chopped Indiana bite size, 2 cans of green beans, salt and pepper. Optional: cayenne pepper, beef bouillon, chopped parsley, Tabasco sauce, curry powder. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just put all the ingredients together in a pot, add the spices, pour some water. Then you need to bring boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Make sure you cook the vegetables until they become tender. Organic diet cabbage soup. You will need the following ingredients: 1 diced bell pepper, 1 large onion, 1 bulb of garlic sliced, 1 large cabbage shredded, 1 IB of shiitake mushroom sliced, 1 kombu seaweed rinsed and sliced, 2 IBs of tomatoes crushed, 1 leek rinsed and sliced, broth, lots of herbs, pepper and salt. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to take some vegetable or coconut oil in order to saute all the vegetables, except for tomato and the cabbage. Then you need to put the tomatoes and the cabbage in a pot, pour water over them and bring it to boil. When it starts to boil, you need to reduce the heat and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Wait until the vegetables become tender, and then you need to add some fresh or dried herbs and simmer for additional 5 minutes. Add salt and pepper. 7 days diet plan. Day 1. On the first day you can eat the soup and some fruits. Make sure you drink a lot of water, or you can drink cranberry juice, unsweetened tea, or kombucha. Note, add more watermelon and cantaloupe into your diet but avoid bananas. Day 2. On the second day you can eat the soup and veggies. Avoid corn, peas, dry beans. Make sure you consume more green and leafy vegetables. For dinner you can have 1 big buttered potato. Note, make sure you don't eat any fruits. Day 3. On the third day, you can eat soup and all fruits and vegetables you want, but don't consume potato for dinner. You can now expect to lose 5 to 7 pounds. Day 4. On the fourth day, you can eat as many bananas as you want and drink water as much as you can. You should consume soup as well. In order to fight your cravings for sugar and sugary stuff, you will need more potassium, calcium, proteins, and carbohydrates. Day 5. You can consume 6 organic tomatoes, 10 to 20 ounces of beef, lamb, chicken, fish, wheat gluten, bean, and adoki. Note, make sure you consume high quality of red animal protein free of antibiotics or hormones and drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. And make sure you cat the soup at least once during the day. Day 6. This is your lucky day, because you are allowed to combine lamb, beef, chicken, fish, beans, etc. with vegetables as much as you can. Note, you are allowed to have 2 to 3 steaks with green leafy vegetables but no baked potatoes. Eat the soup at least once a day. Day 7. On the 7th day, you are allowed to consume unsweetened fruit, vegetables, and brown rice as much as you want and eat the soup at least once during the day. You will be amazed by the results, and if you follow the diet strictly you will lose up to 10-17 pounds. But if you lose more than 15 pounds you should take a break for 1 week and then, you can use the diet from day 1. Due to the fact that every person has different digestive system, the diet will affect everyone differently. Additional tips. Make sure you eliminate any bread, pasta and fried foods from your healthy diet. You shouldn't drink alcohol and end the diet at least 24 hours before alcohol intake. Make sure you drink unsweetened tea, water, coffee, skimmed milk, and juices. You shouldn't consume carbonated drinks including diet drinks. Note, if you are taking some kind of medications, they cannot hurt your diet. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.